Hello everyone and welcome to this channel, and we're going to do a quick review of Fitness AI. Now Fitness AI offers a lot of things like personalized workout and nutrition. That's right, it offers personalized workout and nutrition plans, real-time feedback and form correction, progress tracking analytics, virtual coaching and motivation. Integration with wearables like smartwatches and fitness trackers to gather data like heart rate, steps, and sleep quality for more accurate personalization. Predictive health suggestion based on your data collected. Gamification and community features. Gamification and communication features. Also, it has enhanced efficiency and stability, data-driven insights for businesses. As it provides insight into member behavior, personalized communication, and optimized operations. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try today.